Hey, aquatic enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the mesmerizing world of fishes. From the tiniest guppies to the mighty sharks, these underwater wonders never cease to amaze. So, buckle up, because we've got 15 mind-blowing facts about fishes that'll leave you hooked. Fact 1: Fish diversity. Did you know that there are over 33,000 known species of fish? That's right, from colorful reef dwellers to mysterious deep-sea creatures. The diversity among our aquatic friends is truly astounding. Fact 2: Breath of life. Unlike us, fishes don't use lungs to breathe. Most species rely on gills, specialized organs that extract oxygen from water. Some even have labyrinth organs that allow them to breathe air. Fact 3: Masters of camouflage. Ever wondered how some fish seem to disappear into their surroundings? Many have the incredible ability to change color and patterns, becoming masters of camouflage to avoid predators or sneak up on prey. Fact 4: Migration marvels. Fish are champion travelers. The Pacific salmon, for example, can migrate thousands of miles to return to their birthplace to spawn. It's a remarkable journey that showcases their incredible navigational instincts. Fact 5: Electric personalities. Enter the electric realm. Electric eels can produce shocks of up to 600 volts. That's not just a neat party trick, they use it to navigate and hunt in murky waters. Fact 6: Memory masters. Goldfish might have a bad reputation for short-term memory, but did you know that some fish species have impressive cognitive abilities? Some can remember complex routes and even learn to associate specific sounds with feeding time. Fact 7: Fishy friendships. Fish aren't just solo swimmers. Some species form unique partnerships, like cleaner fish that provide grooming services to larger fish in exchange for protection. It's a real you scratch my scales, I'll scratch your situation. Fact 8: Oldest fish in the sea. Meet the coelacanth, a living fossil that's been around for over 360 million years. These old-timers provide a fascinating glimpse into the ancient underwater world. Fact 9: Incredible parenting. Some fish are exemplary parents. Seahorses, for instance, are one of the rare species where males carry and give birth to the offspring. Talk about breaking traditional parenting norms. Fact 10: The pufferfish puzzler. The pufferfish isn't just a cute face, it's also a master of self-defense. When threatened, it can inflate its body to several times its normal size, deterring predators with its spiky exterior. Fact 11: Fish intelligence. Research has shown that certain fish, like the archerfish, possess problem-solving skills. They can spit jets of water to knock insects into the water, demonstrating a level of intelligence that may surprise you. Fact 12: Colorful personalities. The vibrant hues of tropical fish aren't just for show. Some use their dazzling colors to attract mates or to communicate with others in their school. It's a language of fins and scales. Fact 13: Unusual courtship rituals. Fish have some of the most bizarre courtship rituals. From intricate dances to building underwater love nests, their methods of wooing are as diverse as their species. Fact 14: Synchronized swimmers. Ever seen a school of fish move in perfect harmony? This synchronized swimming isn't just for show. It's a defense mechanism called shoaling, helping them confuse predators and navigate efficiently. Fact 15: Environmental indicators. Fish are like underwater detectives. Their health and behavior can provide valuable insights into the state of our oceans. Studying them helps scientists understand and address environmental changes. And there you have it, folks, 15 jaw-dropping facts about the incredible world of fishes. If you enjoyed this deep-sea adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more aquatic wonders, and let us know in the comments which fish fact surprised you the most. Until next time, keep swimming and stay curious.